Foxy. I'm Komal and I'm a makeup artist. As you all know, big brows are very much trending. Imagine your face with no brows. No. So whenever you're doing makeup, you have to make sure that your brows look as beautiful as your makeup. So today I'll tell you how to do big bushy brows so that your eyes looks more lifted up. So let's get into the video. So today I'll tell you very simple and easy way to make sure that your brows look fuller and thicker. And for that I will be using this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is a great product to fill in up your brows. Why? Because of two reasons. One, it has a gel brow filler which actually makes your eyebrow fillings last longer, and it's also sweat proof. On the other side, we have a spoolie which helps you to comb up your brows. So the first step is using the brow brush. I like to comb my brows downward to see where I have the gap and what kind of arch I want to create. Now I'll take the filler and just shape my brows, creating an angle here and then moving down. Whenever you're filling your brows, make sure don't put too much of product in the beginning, otherwise your brows will look more like a block. Yeah. Now I will lift all of my brows up and fill in the lower gap of the brows. So here you go. Now you can see the difference. This brow looks more fuller and more lifted than this side. Now I will do the same thing on the other side. Also, the shade that I'm using is quite like a dark brown color, and the name is Woody Scooby. It's actually a beautiful color which is mimicking my brow hair color. Same way, filling up the upper side. Now I will lift all of my brow hair upwards, and the same way I'll fill up the lower brow. So now these are your big bold brows. Also, if in case you want your brows to look more natural, you can also try L'Oreal Eyebrow Kit. It has got two brow powders, so one is a darker brown, one is a lighter brown. You can mix match and then give a softer look to these kind of brows. So the next step, which I never ever want to skip, is that take any brow combing brush. This one is from Sugar, and I'll take any hairspray. So you spray this on the brush, let it semi-dry, and comb up your brow hair. Don't touch the bristles of this with the skin, just only with your brow hair, to ensure that your eyebrows look lifted up throughout the day. The same thing I'll do on the other side. Remember to lift it all up. And my makeup looks complete. I hope you guys liked the video. Do try it on at home. And for more such content, keep following Foxy. Until then, stay fab, stay beautiful, stay foxy.